accept, accept. In this lesson, we will learn the difference between accept and accept and how to use each in a sentence. Accept. Accept is a verb and it can mean to agree to something, so to say yes, to believe something or regard something as being true, and it can also mean to receive something, so to take something. For example, she accepted the job offer. This means she said yes to the job or she agreed to do the job. He accepts that he isn't always right. In this example, it means that he regards this as being true. I hope you can accept my apology. Here it means I hope you can take my apology. Accept. Accept can be used as a preposition, a conjunction, or more rarely as a verb. It means to exclude something, so to leave something out. When used as a preposition, the word accept means but and is often followed by a noun. When used as a conjunction, the word except means only or with the exception of. This is often followed by that, if, or when. For example, everyone except Sally is coming to the engagement party. I would have gone to school today, except that I wasn't feeling well. If you're ever confused about which word to use in a sentence, try to think of it like this. The word accept has EX at the start of the word. This should remind you that it means to exclude something.